Before starting this episode, I wanted to share with you that I'll be doing in the coming upcoming episodes will be based on crystals. I'll be doing episodes on crystals, especially how to use what are the like from starting from the basic what are crystals and how you can use what are the properties, and I'll take some examples how you can use these crystals. And I am a Reiki master teacher, and I have also done crystals Reiki. I'm also crystal Reiki practitioner. I use crystals in Reiki and also while meditation, and everywhere wherever I use crystals. So we'll be discussing everything about crystals and also about chakras. So chakras, they are very important, and by using chakras, so we can heal very powerful. These chakras are powerful, and it will speed your healing if you know and use chakras in a very proper manner. So I'll be sharing these episodes. Next upcoming episodes will be based on crystals and chakras. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel, and please watch the this episode till the end. Hi, hello. I am Nalini Ashwin. Welcome to my channel. This is so funny. Recently, I made an episode on how to handle expectations. So, have you seen that? If not, please go check it. I will link. I'll share the link in the description. So today, I am sharing about why expectations hurt. You can take this as a prequel to that episode, like we see in movies. First, they make a movie, then prequel to that movie. So last week, what I shared how to handle the expectations, you can take this as a prequel to that episode. So today, coming back to today's episode, I am going to discuss why expectations hurt. Have you ever thought of this? Have you questioned yourself about this? Why do expectations always hurt? So, in this episode, you'll know some of the reasons. Unmet expectations often lead to disappointment and hurt because they create a gap between what we think will happen and what actually happens. So this leads to the feelings of frustration and sadness. So that's why expectations hurt. So the gap between ideal and reality. Expectations are essentially, these are the predictions or hopes about how things should be, while reality is what actually unfolds. So when these two diverge, they have this gap difference, then it can be a source of emotional distress. Focus on what we can't control. We often have little control over external events or what other people do on other people's actions. We don't have control over those things. Yet we can set expectations that are outside of our influence, outside of our control. This can lead to disappointment when those expectations are not met. So next is internalized expectations. We often internalize expectations, both those we set for ourselves and those placed on us by others. When these expectations are not met, it can feel like a personal failure or a lack of worth. So next is nocebo effect. Have you heard of this? This is the opposite of placebo effect. Our expectations can shape our reality, and negative expectations can lead to negative outcomes. So negative outcomes, this is known as the nocebo effect, where letting doubts cloud our belief in someone or something can practically ensure their failure. It will for sure will happen because we have doubts and we don't believe in others or something, anything we have to believe. So this is the just opposite of placebo effect. Next is relationship dynamics. Expectations can be particularly harmful in relationships as they can lead to unmet needs, resentment, and a lack of trust. So, how can we manage expectations? Learning to manage expectations and focusing on what we can control can help us navigate these situations more effectively. So if we learn to manage expectations, then that hurt we get due to expectations, we can avoid it totally, or we can at least reduce it. So as I said in the beginning, I have already made the next episode. Actually it has to be second episode. I did a second episode first, and then first episode I am doing now. So you can watch that episode where I have explained how you can, I have discussed how you can manage expectations, how you can handle expectations so that you can reduce the hurt. So I hope this information was useful to you, and if yes, please like this and share with others. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and also share this channel so that many people can subscribe. And also, as I said, shared in the beginning, I'll be in future I'll be doing very soon I'll be creating episodes on crystals, healing, and chakras. So please subscribe to my channel. Till next time, have a great day, great week. Meet you in the next episode. Take care of yourself. Bye.